Good evening, Dino families. Welcome to our Title I presentation. Sneed Elementary is a designated Title I school. So what does it mean? We receive additional funding for our campus. It is from the Every Student Succeeds Act. It provides supplemental resources to allow all children significant opportunity to receive a fair, equitable, and high-quality education and to close the educational achievement gap. It's coordinated and integrated with other programs. A portion of the funding is reserved to directly support family engagement activities. Our school-wide program also supports strategies addressing student and staff needs that are clearly identified in the Comprehensive Needs Assessment, CNA, and clearly incorporated in the Campus Improvement Plan, CIP. The Title I school-wide program supports our family engagement, parents' right to be involved, through the district and campus family engagement policy, the School Family Compact, which identifies school, family, student responsibilities, the Comprehensive Needs Assessment, identifying student and staff needs, the Campus Improvement Plan, addressing student and staff needs, and programs and activities for families. You have the right to know information about students' achievement and information about programs, meetings, and activities. Here are some ways that you can be involved. You can advise and support the district and campus family engagement policy and school family compact. It's reviewed and revised annually with parent input. It meets changing needs and determines strategies for improvement. The Campus Comprehensive Needs Assessment is continuously reviewed to identify student and staff needs. The Campus Improvement Plan is continuously reviewed to address student and staff needs. You could also serve on our Shared Decision-Making Council, SDC, our Families Actively and Meaningfully Engaged Committee, FAME, Family and Community Engagement Committee, FACE, which is a district committee, and Language Proficiency Assessment Committee, LPAC. You could also volunteer and mentor.